Welcome back. You're watching the grand finals of the 40th anniversary season of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores at this time, after an adjustment by the judges: Arden High still on 20 points. Kingston College 1 point more on 28. Their answer to the question, in which year did the English gain control of Jamaica, was 1655. The judges have ruled that was correct. Now it's on to section 3. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams. 2 points will be added for each correct answer, and 2 points will be subtracted if the answers are incorrect. Teams must wait to be identified and will lose 2 points if they do not. Teams have been briefed on all the other rules. Let's begin. Bible knowledge: 7 deacons were appointed in the book of Acts. Which of the 7 was called a proselyte from Antioch? Nicholas. Biology: the mobilization of fat deposits in the Go ahead, Kingston College.
Lipotrophin.
Lipotrophin.
That is correct. English language: what 10-letter word starting with M is used to denote a delay in debt payments or other financial obligations? Moratorium. Local and international affairs. Look at the following clip. Identify the person. Go ahead, Kingston College.
Kenneth Barr.
That is correct. Chemistry: at constant temperature and pressure, what volume of a hydrogen gas will be needed to make 72 centimeters cubed of ammonia gas? (108 centimeters cubed). Music: listen to the following clip. Identify the singer. Go ahead, Kingston College.
Buju Banton.
Incorrect. Yellow Man. General knowledge: which former Prime Minister of a CARICOM state died last week? Go ahead, Arden.
Janet Jagan.
Janet Jagan.
That is correct. Spanish: give the English translation for Daniel no lee tanto. Go ahead, Arden.
Daniel does not read as well as. Daniel does not read as well as. Tia.
I'm sorry, Daniel does not read as much as Isabel. Geography: in some desert regions, erosion has removed all of the original surface except for isolated pieces which stand up as round-topped masses. What are these masses? Go ahead, Kingston College.
Inselbergs.
That is correct. Theater and cinema. Look at the following clip. Identify the person. Go ahead, Kingston College.
Colin Farrell.
Correct. Information technology: what do you call the method of problem solving based on structured trial and error or experience? Heuristics. History: in which year did Jamaica receive visits from 2 reigning monarchs, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and His Imperial Majesty Haile? Go ahead, Kingston College.
1966.
That is correct. Haile Selassie I. Mathematics: make Q the subject of the formula in P is equal to Q squared times T squared. Go ahead, Arden.
Q is equal to P over T squared.
I'm sorry, Q is equal to the square root of P over T. Physics: the units: kilograms per meter per second measures which quantity? Go ahead, Arden.
Momentum.
Momentum.
Incorrect. Viscosity: sport. Look at the monitor, identify the person. Go ahead, Arden.
Franklin Rose.
Incorrect. Pedro Collins. Jamaican heritage: which 2 Jamaicans were declared national heroes in 1975? Go ahead, Arden.
Sam Sharp and Marcus Garvey.
Incorrect. And Nanny. French: what does mieux vaut tard que jamais mean? Go ahead, Kingston College.
Better late than never.
That is correct. Literature: which Jamaican writer wrote under the name Eli Edwards? Claude McKay. Art: which Jamaican artist completed the collection of paintings called the Pan-Africanists? Go ahead, Kingston College.
Barry Watson.
That is correct. Bible knowledge: which psalm begins as a heart panteth after the... Go ahead, Arden.
42.
Correct. So panteth my soul after thee, O Lord. Biology: to which human organ is lactic acid taken? Well, go ahead, Arden.
Muscle, organ, heart.
Heart.
Incorrect. To the liver: oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. English language: spell fossick. F-O-S-S-I-C-K. Local and international affairs: name the president and CEO of Sagicor Life Jamaica. Go ahead, Arden.
Richard Biles.
That is correct. Chemistry: what is the formula for the Miller orthoclase? KLSI308. Music: what is the musical term for the sounding of chords played in rapid succession? Go ahead, Kingston College.
Arpeggio.
That is correct. General knowledge: what was the first Republican president of the United States of America called? that's the end of the match. That's the end of the match. All the excitement. That's the end of the match. At any rate, it's Arden High at the end of the match on 14 points. Kingston College, 42 points. Congratulations to our champions, Kingston College, and very well tried to our runners-up, Arden High School. The champions of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2009 in this 40th anniversary season are Kingston College. And in the true spirit of Schools Challenge Quiz, we'll invite the captains of both teams, Shauna and Kenneth, to come forward and shake hands. I now invite Mr. Gary Allen, Managing Director of the RGR Communications Group, to present TVJ's runner-up trophy for 2009 to Arden High. Arden High have entered the competition, have actually won 4 times before, and while they didn't make it tonight. And now for the big one, and this is a really big one. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz Championship Trophy for 2009. And that presentation is going to be made by the RGR Communications Group Chairperson, Mr. J. Lester Spaulding. Mr. Spaulding. RGR Group Chairperson, Mr. J. Lester Spaulding, making the presentation of the Schools Challenge Quiz Trophy for 2009. Thank you ever so much, Mr. Spaulding. Once again, thanks to all of our major sponsors and donors. Thanks to all our special guests. Thanks to all our teachers. Thanks to the schools, and thanks to everyone who played their part in making Schools Challenge Quiz 2009 a success. Thank you very much on behalf of TVJ.